Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Marvel Rivals on Mac. So this is what you want to do, guys. You want to come to codeweavers.com and you want to download Crossover. Okay? Now, if you don't know, let me explain to you what Crossover basically is. So it lets you play, Windows games or softwares, and once you set this software up, install this, and then you can go ahead and use, for example, Steam, and then download Marvel Rivals into your Mac. Okay, using Crossover, you can download this on codeweavers.com. So once you launch Crossover, you want to select the option to install this Windows application, which is Steam. And then if then you download Marvel Rivals from there. And if Marvel Rivals is not listed in the database, what you can do is you can choose other application or just manually configure a new profile. Just select a compatible Windows version, for example, Windows 10. And then what you want to do is you want to begin the installation for Marvel Rivals. You want to point Crossover to the downloaded Marvel Rivals installer file, and then just follow the prompt. So proceed through the installation steps, and then Crossover will emulate the necessary Windows environment. And then once it's installed, the game will basically appear in Crossover's application list. Just select it and click on Run to start playing. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.